Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see all the features and also the drawing. We start by creating this contour. Dimensions 80, radius 12, and good luck. Let's start. Standard millimeter IPT, new sketch, this plane, X to the right, circle, radius 12, dimensions 80 divided by 2 and also 80 divided by 2 taken from here. An arc starting from somewhere, going here, tangent if possible. You see this is on the same vertical, but I want to be sure of this, and I also want to be sure that also this point is on the same vertical. I draw a line, constrain, and I mirror this arc about what? About this. Apply. Done. I draw two lines, 1, 2. I trim this arc and I have a fully constrained sketch. No fully constrained because one dimension is missing. Let's see what is that dimension. Apply. Oh, the radius. The radius is 75. You see here, radius 75. Finish sketch, F6, extrude 20. Okay, mirror the full object about this face. Okay, once again, mirror full object and the plane from the bottom. Good. Next, the cylindrical body with a diameter of 60 and total dimension of also 60. If I start from here, I must subtract 20. New sketch, circle, diameter of 60, finish sketch, extrude, this is to be extruded, and the distance is 60 minus 20. Then we create this internal hollow feature with dimensions 5 is this because I want to use offset. The depth is 15. Let's do this. Face, sketch, offset of 5, finish sketch, extrude, cut 15. Okay, then I want to create that bosses. You see, they are here, and the radius is 12, as great as this radius. This means that this is a circle, my friends. I select this face, I draw 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish sketch, extrude, 1, 2, 3, 4, to this end. Not cut, but join. Okay. Next is this feature, 36, radius 12, 30 degrees, 36, 42. We use the plane XY for a new sketch. F7. I project this line and I draw that contour by keeping pressed the left button. I draw an arc instead of a line, as you can see, and you also know everything, I suppose. These 2 points are on the same vertical, and one of them same vertical with the center point. I draw a line between the 2 points and I apply dimensions. This is radius 12. This is angle 30. The 2 sides are equal, which means this is symmetrical. The distance between this point and the center point is 42, and the other distance, this one, is 36. I trim this end and this end, and I have 2 dimensions needed. I don't like this. Control Z, and we have a fully constrained sketch. We apply extrude, symmetrical of this area without the corner. Dimension is also 36. You see? Okay. Now I create this major hole, diameter of 50. Hole, this face, this center, not threaded, through all with a diameter of 50. Okay. There is a cut here, 3 millimeters. We select this face, we draw a rectangle, we place the midpoint on the center point, we project this geometry, we make collinear these 2 splines, and we have only one dimension to dimension, the 3 millimeters cut. Okay, extrude, cut all the way through the part. Okay, then we create this counterbore with also a threaded end, 15, 8, metric 8 with pitch 1. Normal pitch is 1.25, my friends. Good. Now we place this hole with counterbore and a threaded hole. Dimensions are here, 15, 9, 8, metric 8 with a pitch of 1. Normal pitch for metric 8 is 1.25, my friends. Hole, counterbore, this face, this center, dimensions, this is 16, 15, then 8, and 9. The hole is not through the part, but ending to this face. But we don't want to have here an end, so I select flat, not conical hole. This is conical. This is not conical, it's flat. Okay. Then the other hole, not counterbore, but threaded. Threaded isometric profile 8 with a pitch of 1 applied on this face with this center through the part, full depth. Okay, you see, this is the counterbore. Now the 4 holes with diameter of 12 in the centers of the external fillets. We select an edge, 3, not 2, and we apply this feature to many edges. Also this too on this face. We go to the internal edges and we apply fillets all over, and we finish with plus all this contour. Okay, now I suppose we finished this part, so let's see what is the volume. Update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is is the same. Cancel. I don't keep the other value because it's identical with this one. Then we apply the material, the steel cast is this material with the general aspect of steel cast, no edges, and some faces to be machined. I keep pressed the shift button, shift key on the keyboard to select these faces. You can select any other ones as you like. Then we apply view default lights and we can compare the two. We don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.